Well, it's been an interesting last 5 minutes. I've run into a little bit of a problem. If you can see that, which is a big wall. I think I can get through there, but we'll see. It's time to consult my GPS to see if I'm actually on the right track. It's now 12:11 and I've been on the river for an hour 45. Oh, I also just got hit by a big fish that jumped from here across here and hit me right in the chest. It was about 1.5 feet long. And then another one jumped right at my face about a minute later, but he didn't get me. Also saw a snake, a water snake.